Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I'm just kicking this video out. We still got a couple hours before the close, but I got stuff to do. So let's look at this stock. Now I noticed IBD had covered this. They sent out. I just saw the article right here at 11 o'clock or 2 o'clock Eastern, but on SailPoint Technologies, I actually took a small amount of this stock when it initially broke out here today. Pleasant surprise. So right when the stock, I like to use even numbers for the most part. When the stock broke out above 39, I got it somewhere close to 40 bucks. So now it's up a bit. We like this. This is what we want to see. So what's the longer term and the shorter term implications here? So we're up on twice average volume. So there's something that's working here, right? Okay, so let's look at this on the weekly chart first. You can see the stock has been chopping around really, really nasty for a while. But if you look here, just start drawing a line, like where did things change? And things changed here at about 34, 35 bucks when the stock printed a new high that it hadn't hit since 2018. So now the stock's kind of off to the races. We could see this stock go a lot higher, particularly if IBD is going to be covering it. That's kind of it's important. So if you're buying this stock now, well, you could do what I'm doing. I think that if the stock falls back below 39 bucks, then I'm probably wrong to be in this stock. Although with this kind of volume, that's a real telltale sign. This is institutional buying. This is not Jethro and Austin putting their money together and buying a few shares. This is some pretty big institutions. So I got to give it more than 39 bucks because I could see institutions trying to knock this stock down so they could buy more. So instead, I'm going to put my stop just a little bit below 38 bucks. Well, 37.91 is the low, but who's counting? I would put my stock at about 37.75, my stop, about 37.75, because if the stock pulls all the way back to this level here, I really don't want to be in that stock, because it just means that this was a fake out. The stock can be grinding around for a while, and I would just rather not have my money in that in that way. And so I would rather just sell the stock and then monitor it and come back in when it's a better opportunity. But for now, I think this works. I think you want to make sure you're protecting yourself. Don't have a position that's too big. Don't have a stop that's too loose or that's too tight. Could be either way. But ultimately, I think, this weekly chart shows a really nice uptrend, a really nice move. And then this shows a nice little stair-stepping pattern, longer base here. I wish it was even longer. And then now we're pushing up to a new high. So again, I wish this was about a month longer base, but we can only take what we get. So anyway, that's it. I'll see you all in the next video.